Okay guys, so on Gmail, I want to show you a couple organization features, mostly the labels. Again, like it said on the PowerPoint, labels are used a lot like you would use folders before. So your folder should be synced over with your emails from Outlook to Gmail. So all of your folders should be there. I had a folder called Tech Tips, Townsend, V Notes, so where I kept notes. When my daughter's teacher emailed, I put them into a folder so I could read them with her. Tech Tips went into an email so I could keep those, or went into a folder so I could keep those organized. And some other things that I wanted a little bit separate when I was doing researching. You know, I had created these folders in Outlook. They came right over in Gmail. But today I want to show you how to create one. So if you click down here on More and scroll down to the bottom, so it was hiding some of these others, Manage Labels. You could go through and turn them on or turn them off. But right under here we have a Create New Label. You're going to click it. And then I'm just going to type Demo 2. And create a label called Demo 2. I also can nest that under another label, so you're kind of creating a folder within a folder. If I click that on, I can select a parent folder that this folder or this label would go into. I could choose to do that or choose to not do that, but these would be the ones I had already created. So I'm going to create Demo 2. And it's going to come up here. They're automatically gray, but you can go through and click on these dots and give your label a color. So you can color all of your labels differently if you desire. I'm going to go to this demo and show you how it's done. So in my inbox, I just went through and I labeled some emails with demo. To do that, you're just going to right click, label as, and then click demo. Gmail automatically labeled this one as social as well because it's a YouTube email. So they're going to put it in my social folder as well, or label. But I can just right click on these and I can label as and click on these labels that I've created. I'm going to label it as demo, then you hit apply. So I went through and did these. Then you go over here and click on it, and it will automatically put all of your emails that you had labeled as demo in this under this label. However, you notice that they didn't leave my inbox because then I just labeled it. If I were to right click and move to demo, that's a little bit differently where it will take it out of this inbox, take it out of this folder and put it here, and then it's only here. Like here it is. These say that it's in my inbox. This one doesn't say in my inbox anymore. It just says it's here. So you kind of have to be careful about how you're doing it. I would just be consistent. Pick one. Either label it or move it so that you're not losing emails. Because I think that one is a little bit tricky, that it can get confusing. So let me label this color red and I'll show you what it looks like. So if these are all my demos, maybe these are my parent emails. If I wanted to make this a parent, these are my parent emails that I want to go back sure and make sure I email before the end of the day. It will look like this. So it can get very colorful if you color your labels with bright colors to help you keep organized. So hopefully that helps you a little bit about how the labels are different than folders and shows you how to create them and what to do